If you use PowerPoint, this is for you. These are my top 5 hotkeys, day 11 PowerPoint, every day for 30 days. Starting with number 1, send backwards and send forward. I use this all the time to control where an object is in the screen. The way you do this is Command-Shift-B. Anytime I say Command, just replace that with Control for Windows. So I'm on a Mac. Command-Shift-B, Command-Shift-F. And what this will do is instead of clicking the Arrange, Send to Back, Send to Front, it does that automatically. So for example, if I wanted to take this and send it backwards, I could go Command-Shift-B or Command-Shift-F, and it would bring it all the way to the back, all the way to the forward. You can also do Command-Option-B to only move it back 1 or forward 1. I use these all the time. Number 2, change the text size. The way you can do this, rather than going up to the home and clicking the little text, you can do Command-Shift and then the little bracket, and if you go to the right, it gets bigger. If you go to the left, it gets smaller. Again, I use this all the time, super fast. Number 3, duplicating a slide. This is, again, one that is really useful, especially if you use the more transition a lot, and you can do it Command-Shift-D. So if you look on the left side over here, if I'm selecting over here, I'm like, all right, that one's ready to go. I do Command-Shift-D, and now we have a new copy of that slide rather than right-clicking, finding duplicate slide. Super useful. And drag copying. This is another one that I think is really useful, and this is ubiquitous across most design tools. So if you click the Option key and drag, you'll notice that that little icon changes. And so if I wanted to copy this, I can just Option, drag, Option, drag, Option, drag. 5, grouping. Again, something I do all the time. You do Command-Option-G, and this lets you, if you have multiple objects selected, rather than group, and right-clicking and finding group, you can just do Command-Option-G, and now those are a group. If you want to ungroup them, it's just Command-Option-Shift-G, and it ungroups them. If this was helpful, drop a comment, repost, that really helps me out, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching all the way through.